Students, today we are going to do a very important part of logic, that is to understand how truth tables are constructed for various types of logical operators. Now, as you know, yesterday we had discussed the different types of logical operators, that is and, or, not, if and only if then. So these are the five: and, or, not, if then, if and only if. So now I'll be starting with the first logical operator, which is also called conjunction. Conjunction, symbol as you know, N. Now if P and Q are any two statements connected by the word and, then the resulting compound statement P and Q is called the conjunction of P and Q, which is written in the symbolic form as P and Q. Now for example, Raju is a dancer and a singer. So here Raju is a dancer and he is also a singer. So we are combining two sentences. Now how to draw the truth table for conjunction? Truth table for conjunction. Now whenever there are two statements, now Raju is a dancer will be P and Raju is a singer is Q, and this is the operator. Whenever there are two statements, the truth table is constructed this way: P and Q. There is a fixed pattern T T F F, and for Q it is T F T F. It's a fixed pattern T T F F T F T F. Now how to get the third column, that is P and Q? Now if both P and Q both are true, then P and Q is true. It is understood from here also कि Raju is a dancer and he is also a singer. So if Raju is a dancer and he is a singer, so this statement will become true. Now the second statement is saying P should be T and Q should be F. Now Raju is a dancer and he is not a singer. Obviously it is false because he should be a dancer and a singer. As per this, he is saying this example, this part is saying that he is a dancer but he is not a singer. So it is not matching with the P and Q. So false. The third is false, true, false. So if Raju is not a dancer and he is a singer, still there is a contradiction because he has to be a dancer and a singer. So again it happens to be false. And lastly, Raju is not a dancer and Raju is not a singer, FF. FF means both are opposite of this. So he is not a dancer and he is not a singer. So F and F is F. So the truth table for conjunction, you come to know that only when both are true, then only P and Q is true, otherwise it is always false. So the table for conjunction is, you have to remember, if both are true, then only true, otherwise it is false. So it is T T T, T F F, F T F, F F T, and P and Q fixed pattern T T F F, T F T F. So both T T T, T F F, F T F, F F F. So this is about the